This is third part of a set of 3 videos where I tell you how to format tables in Microsoft Word. In this part, I am covering 2 topics: resizing columns and rows of a table and resizing tables. For this video, I have used the Word software included in Microsoft 365, but the instructions by and large apply to earlier versions of Word too. When you make a table in Word, it occupies space from left margin of the page up to the right margin. You will notice that all columns have the same width and all rows are of the same height. The width of columns depends on the number of columns you have chosen to create, but the row height has a default value of 0.33 centimeters. You can resize the columns and rows at any time. We will first look at resizing columns. If you wish to change the width of column B, click anywhere in this column, then go to Layout tab. On this toolbar, you will find these 2 tools. The one at the top is the row height tool and the bottom one is the column width tool. To change the width of a column, click into the column width tool and enter the desired width. We will enter 5 centimeters for the width of column B and then press enter key. So the width of column B has changed to 5 centimeters. If you wish to change the width of more than one column at a time, select them and then enter the desired column width in this tool. So we enter 2 centimeters. So these 3 columns now have the width of 2 centimeters. And if you wish to apply the same column width to the entire table, choose the table and enter the desired column width, say 3 centimeters. So this is how you change the width of columns. Row height can also be changed in a similar manner. Click anywhere in the row whose height you wish to modify, then click in the row height tool and enter the desired height. We'll put 0.5 centimeters. So this height. Now let us look at resizing rows. Click the row which you wish to resize, go to Layout tab and in the row height tool, enter the new height of the row. So let's put 1 centimeter over here. And you can see that the height has increased to 1 centimeter. If you wish to change the height of more than one row at a time, select them and then enter the desired value, say 0.8 centimeters. So all these are now 0.8 centimeters. And if you wish to apply the same row height to the entire table, select the table, then in the row height tool, enter the desired value. And this time we will put 1 centimeter and hit the enter key. All the rows are of height 1 centimeter now. You can also resize columns and rows using the Table Properties dialog box. Let us look at resizing columns first. To resize column A, let's click anywhere in this column. Click Layout tab and on this toolbar, click Properties and this will bring up the Table Properties dialog box. Click the Column tab and in this Preferred Width box, enter the width of the column that you want. Let's put 5 centimeters. Then hit Next Column. You can see that column A has been resized and the focus has moved to column B. If you wish to change the width of this column too, enter the value. We'll put 2 over here, next column. So this column is also resized and focus has moved to the column C. So this way you can change the column width column by column using Table Properties dialog box. And once you are done, click OK. To change the row height, click in the row, then on the Layout toolbar, click Properties and in the Table Properties dialog box, click Row tab. You see this Specify Height box here, so tick this box and enter the value of the row height. Let's make it 1 centimeter and then hit Next Row. If you want to change the height of row 3 also, again specify height and let's make it 1.2. Next row. So just as in case of columns, here you can change the row height one by one, moving from one row to another. And once you are finished, click OK. There is another way of resizing columns and rows, and that is by dragging their borders. You can resize a column by dragging its right border. To resize a row, you need to drag its bottom border. Let me show you how. To resize column E, place the cursor on the right border of column E until the cursor changes into parallel lines with double-headed arrows. Click and drag. To resize column A, drag its right border like this. To resize column C, drag its right border. So you see, you can very easily resize columns by dragging their right borders. To resize row 2, let us place the cursor on its bottom border. Again we get the parallel lines with double-headed arrows. Click and drag. Again, to resize row 4, we drag its bottom border like this. So this is a very handy method of very easily resizing columns and rows. After our exercise of resizing columns and rows by dragging, the table looks a bit asymmetric. You may want to resize the columns once again so as to make them all of equal width. To do that, select the table. Click the Layout tab, and on this toolbar, click on Distribute Columns. When you do that, all the columns become of equal width. To distribute the rows equally, just like the columns, so that all rows become of the same height, again select the table, and on the Layout toolbar, click on Distribute Rows. So all the rows are now of equal height. In the word table on the screen, you would notice that there is a lot of space between the text and the right border of the columns. You may want to remove this excess space and make the right border of columns hug the text within them. To do that, select the table, go to Layout toolbar, click AutoFit tool, and from the drop-down menu, select AutoFit Contents. The table has now shrunk, and the right border of each column is hugging the widest text in that column. If you want the word table on screen to occupy the entire space between the left and right margin of the page, select the table, go to Layout toolbar, click AutoFit, and then from the drop-down menu, click AutoFit window. The table will expand to occupy the space between the margins. You can also set a specific width for your table. You can do that using the Table Properties dialog box. Let us click in the table, and then on the Layout tab, click Properties to bring up the Table Properties dialog box. Now in the Table tab, click the Preferred Width tick box if it is not already ticked, and in the Measure In box, select centimeters. We want to make this table 10 centimeter wide. So we type in 10 and then click OK. So the table width has been set at 10 centimeters. You can also set the width of the table as a percentage of the distance between the left and right margins of the page. For that, click in the table, call up the Table Properties dialog box, and this time in the Measure In box, select %, and we will make it 80%. Click OK. So the table is now occupying 80% of the distance between the left and right margins of the page. You can also resize the table by dragging its bottom right corner. Bring the cursor to the bottom right corner. It will turn into a diagonal double-headed arrow. Click and drag, and then click again. So the table is resized. Both the width and height are altered according to your choice. Thanks for watching. Do like and share this video. If you would like to see how-to videos on any other feature of Microsoft Word, please mention in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are informed of the next video when it is uploaded.